Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about making your journeys smoother and more enjoyable. Today, I've got 5 travel hacks that will revolutionize the way you travel. So grab your passport and let's dive in. First up, we have the classic hack of rolling your clothes instead of folding them. Not only does this save space, but it also minimizes wrinkles. Just roll, stack, and voila, more room for that souvenir you're definitely going to buy. Now let's talk about staying powered up on the go. Invest in a multi-USB charger. It's a game changer. No more fighting over outlets or carrying a bunch of chargers. With one of these, you can juice up your phone, tablet, camera, all at the same time. Raise your hand if you've ever been hit with crazy roaming charges. Fear not. Here's a pro tip. Download offline maps before your trip. Apps like Google Maps allow you to navigate even when you're off the grid. No more getting lost or stressing about data charges. Now, let's talk about making your money work for you. Sign up for airline miles and rewards programs. Whether it's free flights, hotel stays, or other travel perks, these programs are gold. And don't forget those credit card rewards. They can seriously upgrade your travel game. And now, for a twist. Instead of the usual power strip, consider packing a portable water filter. Stay hydrated wherever your adventures take you by turning tap water into clean, drinkable water. It's eco-friendly and a game changer in destinations where water quality might be a concern. And there you have it, 5 travel hacks to take your adventures to the next level. Before you go, I've got something exciting for you. If you're interested in grabbing the awesome travel gear we talked about today, like the versatile multi-USB charger and the game-changing portable water filter, check out the description below. I've included affiliate links to these fantastic products. Now, not only do you get top-notch gear for your adventures, but you'll also be supporting the channel when you purchase through those links. Win-win. So dive into the description, explore these fantastic travel companions, and let the journey begin. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel wisdom. Until next time, happy travels!